Hey there, creative content creators! Welcome back to Skillful Solutions, your go-to channel for all things tech and creativity. And today we're diving into an interesting topic: how to make faceless YouTube videos. Whether you're camera shy or simply exploring a new style, we've got the tips you need. Step 1. Choose your content. Start by choosing the type of content you want to create. This could be tutorials, narrations, reviews, or even animations. The key is to pick something you're passionate about and that resonates with your audience. Step 2. Plan about channel. Since your face won't be the focus, plan out your visuals thoughtfully. Use AI to pick your profile picture, name, and description for your channel. Step 3. Write a compelling script. Craft a compelling script that engages your viewers from start to finish. Focus on delivering value, keeping a conversational tone, and maintaining a clear structure. Step 4. Gather visual assets. Collect the visual assets you'll need to bring your script to life. This includes images, graphics, video clips, and any other relevant media. Step 5. Edit your video. Edit your video using video editing software. Arrange your visuals, sync them with your script, and add transitions, text, and effects. Step 6. Add voiceover or text-to-speech. Now you can either record a voiceover for your video or use a text-to-speech technology. Both options work great for faceless videos. Step 7. Upload. The last step is uploading your video by entering the description and other formality of YouTube. Here you have content creators, a step-by-step guide on how to create engaging faceless YouTube videos that captivate your audience. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to give us a thumbs up, subscribe to Skillful Solutions for more creative tech insights, and hit that notification bell.